must raise money for conductive education.
I want a cereal bar.
Put in the powder.
Put in the powder and bring us the wrappers. Is that right? Load the machine, but bring us the wrappers. Is that right? Are you saying help? Help! 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 Help us!
Help!
Help. The machine.
You need help.
Help! Good job. With our biscuits.
Help us.
Red box.
Can you help us? We need your biscuit wrappers. We need your cracker wrappers. We need your dishwasher pod wrappers and your laundry pod wrappers. Please.
Eat lots of biscuits and bring us the wrappers, please.
Good idea, Ryan. Shall we collect biscuit wrappers? Yeah, I think we should too.
Very big excuse to buy extra in your shop because we need the wrappers. Please help.